How to make money with gold. Krugerrand for sale. Golden coins sometimes gain price at a swifter rate than gold bars because they are minted in limited quantities. Gold bars are mined constantly throughout the world, which enlarges the supply, offsetting demand, which results in smaller price gains. Golden coins gain in price because investors desire assets that are not reportable. Golden brokerage firms are not required by law to report gains you undergo to the IRS the way that your stockbroker company or financial institution are compulsory. Since we can't tell you not to pay your tax on the gains, we recommend you tell your accountant. Gold is golden. Golden coins are a true kind of transportable wealth. You can take your golden coins anywhere in the world and sell them. Gold is the critical asset. It's the purest kind of wealth and the oldest, most durable wealth-saving asset on the planet. Governments cannot devalue it. It has no debts, no board of directors, no politicians or central bankers that can mess with its price. That's why gold is gotten by during every economy history has ever witnessed and secured investors purchasing might over a span of some 5,000 years. Golden American Eagles are mass-produced bullion coins. The value of these gold bullion coins is tied to the golden price. The price of golden fluctuates, ping-ponging up and down like a heart monitor. This variation in the price is directly connected to investors that buy and purchase and sell in an effort to take advantage of the price shakiness. Under the Executive Order of 1933 put forth by FDR, golden bullion coins are subject to be confiscated by the U.S. government during times of national predicament. Golden American Eagles are instantaneously liquid. The U.S. Mint, purposely having retirement accounts in mind, designed gold-proof American Eagle coins. Proof gold has a limited supplies. Each year only a limited number of golden-proof coins are produced, resulting in a rarity which might cause them to outperform the generic American Eagles by 1.12 to 2 times. Each proof American Eagle is brought to your storage facility with its private official U.S. Mint certificate of legitimacy. These golden coins have United States government backing, which, similar to the dollar, means they are recognized and accepted in major investment markets around the world. This gold is also instantaneously liquid.